Subscribe to Rajshri Food and click on the bell icon for more updates.
We don't need a reason to make kebabs, and I've shared a number of recipes on the channel. Today I'm sharing one such recipe, which is Dahi Ke Kabab. It's a special one, so let's take a look at it. Let me explain a little bit about hung curd. I've taken 3 cups of curd and I put it in a cheesecloth or a muslin cloth, and I squeezed out all the water as much as I could. And then I placed it in a sieve with a bowl at the bottom for the water to drain and kept it overnight in the refrigerator. And I have a nice thick hung curd ready over here. So now I'm going to add this into this bowl. I add around 100 grams of crumbled paneer into these kebabs so that it holds the hung curd together. For flavor also, I add in some cheese. So about 2 tablespoons of grated cheese, 1 onion finely chopped. Next, I'm going to add in 3 tablespoons of roasted gram flour. Next goes in all the seasoning ingredients: 2 tablespoons of coriander leaves, 2 green chilies finely chopped, 1/4 teaspoon of garam masala, 1/4 teaspoon of jeera powder or cumin seed powder, 1 teaspoon of powdered sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of cardamom powder, salt to taste. And now, time to mix all the ingredients. This mixture is ready, and now I'm going to spread some breadcrumbs on this board. And now let's roll the kebabs. Don't use your hands as far as possible. Try and just use the spoons to shape them. Just shape it lightly with the spoons. And now just drop it over the breadcrumbs. Sprinkle the breadcrumbs on top and make a round ball. You can even make round shaped kebabs, or you can slightly flatten them as well. Similarly, let's coat and shape the other kebabs. The kebabs are nicely shaped, and now time to fry. I've kept a pan to heat, and now I'm going to start frying them on high flame. So let's test the oil by frying 1 kebab in it. Let's get this out. So now you know how easy these are to make. I'm sure one bite and they're going to melt into your mouth. Do try these mouth-watering kebabs at home and comment below. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.